Dubai's summer is no joke. The scorching heat can turn your car into an oven, and the only thing standing between you and a meltdown is your AC. But what if it fails when you need it the most? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll reveal 5 critical tips to keep your AC compressor running like a dream all summer long. 1. Clean or replace the AC filter. Imagine trying to breathe through a blocked straw. Painful, right? That's exactly how your AC compressor feels with a dirty filter. A clogged filter forces the compressor to overwork, leading to breakdowns. Check and replace your cabin air filter regularly to keep the airflow smooth and efficient. 2. Check the refrigerant levels. Think of your AC's refrigerant as the fuel for cool air. Low refrigerant means weak cooling and an overworked compressor. If your AC isn't chilling like before, get the refrigerant checked before your car turns into a sauna. 3. Inspect the AC belts and pulleys. Your AC compressor relies on belts and pulleys to function smoothly. If they're cracked or loose, it's like running a marathon with a twisted ankle. Disastrous. A quick inspection can prevent a sudden AC failure in the middle of a heat wave. 4. Keep the condenser clean. Your car's AC condenser sits at the front, fighting off dirt, dust, and debris. When it clogs up, your AC struggles. Just like a person gasping for air in a sandstorm, a simple water rinse or professional cleaning can keep your AC efficient and powerful. 5. Don't ignore unusual noises. If your AC starts making strange noises, clicking, squealing, or grinding, it's crying for help. These sounds could mean a failing compressor. Ignoring them can lead to a complete AC shutdown, turning your ride into a nightmare. Your car's AC is your best friend in Dubai's summer. Treat it well, and it'll keep you cool no matter how high the temperature climbs. Follow these 5 simple tips, and you'll never have to suffer in a hot car again. Follow, subscribe, and stay chill this summer.